Hi guys, I'm Toby, I'm one of the stylists here at Thread, and I wanted to take a couple of minutes just to talk you through one of the outerwear options we're really loving this season, the fleece. Really underrated in my opinion, often conjures up images of gardeners, workwear, but it's having a bit of a resurgence this season, and for good reason. There's lots of really amazing options. First up is the sleeveless kind of gilet version. This works really well for layering under thicker winter coats, but also lightweight stuff, and really good for a outermost layer during like transitional seasons, so moving into spring, moving into winter next year. Next up is my personal favorite one, which is the liner jacket. So like a lot of menswear kind of staples, this one draws inspiration from a lot of old school military wear. So this kind of shape with the more kind of V-neck collar, full arm, and this single zip running through, usually a double zip as well, which is a really good little addition for a styling technique. These work equally well for layering under an overcoat, but also really good for your outermost layer throughout the season because you've got that extra coverage through the sleeve. Again, comes in a load of colors at the moment. This kind of bright orange one from the brand Any Day is causing a bit of a stir in the office at the moment. Everyone keeps trying it on. The final one is kind of the heavy duty fleece, which is something I'm wanting to dip my toe into personally. Something like this big shearling coat from Ted Baker, a brand that's actually having really amazing season in terms of product. We keep pulling so many things in from them. This kind of super heavy duty one, you won't need any layers underneath. It's super warm, super versatile. Underrated category in outerwear, I'd say. It's having a resurgence. Definitely pay attention to it. There's a whole bunch of stuff available right now on Threads, so take a look, reach out to your stylist, find a fleece. I'm going to take this one.